Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video with ReecyVidz. Today I'm going to Leeds and I'm going to show you Midland Mills and Arena Point. So stay tuned and there's more to come. I proper love train journeys, like they are just a vibe completely. So Midland Mills has now topped out, looking absolutely splendid. It looks really nice on the skyline and it fits in well with Latitude Blue, which is in the same area in Holbeck. So they're both looking great. I'm loving the atmospheric effect today by the weather. It's looking very interesting and very mysterious looking. The slip farm car is really high now. It's at full height at 105 metres. So it's very exciting times in Leeds at the moment, and it's a lot to catch up on because there's so much going on and so many developments. But it's all exciting and it'll be worthwhile when completed. So this slip farm is reminding me of Bridgewater Place in 2005. I think it's the location it's in and the red crane. If you look at pictures of Bridgewater Place in 2005, you'll get what I mean.
There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need.
So as you can see, the floor slabs are now at number 10. It's making excellent progress. So I'm now going to get an Uber up to Arena Point, so stick around and there's more to come. There were no way I were walking all the way up to the top of Leeds from down the bottom. It would have been a killer. So Sirus Point is also looking great. The floor slabs are nearly halfway up now, so it's making excellent progress. It's really impacting the skyline. I've never noticed this angle before, but it looks a really nice angle. So as you can see, they've started adding cladding to Sirus Point. It's a bit like Alta's house and White Rose View, so it fits in very well with its surroundings and neighbours. I do like it. I think it looks nice, and I've got to give it a chance yet to develop, because you don't know what it could turn out like. But at the moment, it's looking promising. So yeah. So thank you for watching my video, I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned and subscribe for more videos in future. Bye everyone, Merry Christmas.